Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, October 6, 2023. It is 2:13 and 19 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, breast cancer. So let's come to it here. A breakthrough in the fight against resistance and metastatic breast cancer, dormant tumor cells surviving chemotherapy can be targeted through the inhibition of a specific protein. Date October 2nd, 2023. Source: Medical University of Vienna. A protein called glycoprotein. This discovery opens up new possibilities for delaying relapse and is particularly relevant for aggressive triple-negative breast cancer, for which there are currently few effective treatments. A so-called triple-negative breast cancer is a particularly dangerous form of breast cancer. It is characterized by an early relapse and a poor survival rate. Until now, there have only been limited treatment options, and chemotherapy protocols are often not sufficiently effective. The scientific investigators and microbiologists say therapy resistance for cancer cells do not respond to conventional treatments has long been a major problem. As certain cancer cells evade chemotherapy by entering a dormant cell state, such as cancer cells can persist undetected for several months or even years before they start to proliferate again to give rise to tumor relapse. Although cytotoxic agents are less effective against non-dividing cells, drug-tolerant persistent cells must come up with additional protective measures to cope with the toxic effects of chemotherapy. As cancer research found that this partially happens through activation of a protein called P-glycoprotein, which helps to clean cells from secondary damage inflicted by chemotherapy. As P-glycoprotein has been well known as a protein that can export chemotherapeutic drugs from the cells, but its role in protecting dormant cancer cells has not been proven. The discovery that P-glycoprotein contributes to the removal of toxic lipids from rare surviving cancer cells represents a vulnerability that can be exploited to prevent relapse. In a mouse model of triple-negative breast cancer, prolonged inhibition of P-glycoprotein prior to the onset of resistance with a drug called terraquinone significantly prolonged the survival of mice, indicating that the critical population of drug-tolerant cancer cells can be targeted by blocking P-glycoprotein. These results could mean that patients with triple-negative breast cancer have a better chance of being cured in the future. Researchers are now working to translate these findings into clinical practice to better treat patients. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Nature of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.